Toyota recently revealed the 2026 GR Corolla on September 25, 2025 at a high-energy event in Sonoma, California, electrifying enthusiasts with its perfect blend of rally-inspired performance and everyday usability. Crafted by Toyota's Gazoo Racing GR division, the same team behind World Rally Championship dominance, this hot hatch evolves with razor-sharp updates that amplify its edge while honoring its raw, driver-focused soul. Hitting showrooms this fall, the 2026 GR Corolla storms into battle against pricier rivals like the Honda Civic Type R and Volkswagen Golf R, delivering track-ready thrills at a steal of a price. Starting under $40K, it's not just a car, it's a rally legend reborn for the streets. At its thumping heart lies the proven 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder G16 GTS engine, unleashing 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque from just 1,600 RPM. A clever new secondary air intake duct optimizes cooling, ensuring unflinching power through blistering canyon runs or endurance track sessions. Power channels through Toyota's legendary GR4 all-wheel drive system, now with refined modes and adjustable torque splits up to 100%, front or rear. Sport for rear-biased, tail-happy fun, normal for all-weather grip, and eco for sipping fuel on commutes. Standard torsion center and limited slip differentials, front and rear, carve corners with surgical precision. Choose the slick 6-speed manual with rev matching for purest joy, or the optional 8-speed automatic with launch control, the latter now boasting a transmission fluid cooler, plus a sub-radiator on the top-tier Premium Plus trim for race-ready stamina. Handling? It's next level. Evolving from 2025's damper and stabilizer upgrades, Toyota slathers 45.6 feet of structural adhesive across the body, boosting rigidity by 20% for flatter cornering, sharper rear grip, and telepathic steering feel. It devours rough roads with composed grace, while vented GR-branded brakes haul it down confidently. And 18-inch alloys wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires deliver tenacious bite. Flared fenders widen the stance, planting this 3,250-pound featherweight like a rally weapon. Visually, the 2026 GR Corolla dials aggression to 11. The base model flaunts a sculpted hood with gloss black cooling vents, a color-keyed rear spoiler, and screaming GR badges. Step up to Premium Plus for a forged carbon fiber roof, shedding 10 pounds, a massive gloss black wing spoiler for downforce, and menacing matte black 18-inch 15-spoke wheels. Fresh colors like supersonic red and a two-tone black roof option ensure it turns every head from stoplights to showroom floors. Slide inside the driver-centric cockpit. An Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel begs to be gripped, while supportive GR bucket seats with red stitching, suede upholstered in Premium Plus, hug you through apexes. The 8-inch touchscreen beams wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Premium Plus owners score a 9-speaker JBL system with subwoofer for pounding tracks, plus a head-up display keeping eyes on the road. Safety's locked in with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, adaptive cruise, lane tracing, and pedestrian detection for top crash ratings without diluting the fun. Performance stats: a neck snapping 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds, with manual fuel economy at 21 city, 28 highway MPG. Real-world eco mode hits 25 plus on highways. Current owners rejoice. A free spring 2026 software update unlocks extra torque and GR4 tweaks, keeping your ride eternally fresh. Trim starting price including $1,195 destination, base $39,920, core $41,995, premium $43,295, and premium plus $45,000.